Well, look. How did the fireworks pop though?
Well, they just explode, sweetie.
Oh, I thought the little things go up into the air and hit the smoke, then pop.
Oh, run.
That's why the ambulance is.
If any of those hit. What?
That didn't go up in the air.
Happy anybody did not get hurt.
I hope not.
I think the show would stop if it did. We have to help somebody.
Then the sirens would ruin the show. When they're already off.
What did you say?
The sirens would ruin the show.
Oh my.